Troubleshoot. Android TV box. TV stick doesn't turn on. Hello everyone. Have you ever encountered the problem that the Android TV box or TV stick does not work after connecting to the power supply and the screen shows no signal when you are using the Android TV box or TV stick? Today I will tell you how to solve this problem. You can follow the following steps to check. First of all, after connecting the power supply, we need to check whether the LED screen of the Android TV box or the indicator light of the Android TV stick will light up. Situation 1. The LED screen or the indicator light is not on. You can change the power cord with the same voltage to try. Or use a dual USB cable to connect the USB port of the box and the power supply. After changing the cable and it shows working, it means that there is something wrong with the power cable or power interface of the box. You need to change the power cable or repair the power interface. Instead, if still the same problem, you can use the firmware flashing. If you upgraded the firmware, it still does not work. Maybe the device's motherboard burned out. You only have to replace a new Android TV box. Situation 2. LED screen or indicator light is on. You can follow the checking method below. 1. Make sure the HDMI jack and the TV source are the same. 2. Reinsert or change the socket and try again. 3. Change a new HDMI cable at the same time to check whether there is something blocking the HDMI jack of the box. 4. If possible, try to change a high-definition TV for testing. It could be a problem with the resolution of the box settings. Please turn down the resolution of the box and use it on your previous TV. 5. Upgrade the firmware of the box, and then try to connect it again. If the above methods still can't solve your problem, it is possible that there is a problem with the hardware of the device. Please contact the seller who sold you the device.